What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm gonna head into this house right here behind me. We're gonna check out this sick Klipsch system with the Epson projector. It's a very affordable, pretty much gonna fit a lot of my clients out there's needs as well as budgets. So this is something that I'm excited to show to you guys. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. If you would like to purchase anything that you see in this video, give us a ring and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. All right, guys, let's head in and check it out. What is up, YouTube? Actually, I already did the intro outside. All right, now we are in the house, and this is the theater room that we're working with here. System is installed. The client's very happy to offer a walkthrough. So now I'm going to take you through the space and show you exactly what's in here. We got the Klipsch series across the front soundstage, and then we have surround and surround rear installed in the ceiling. Surround rear rights, and then over here we have a DefTech sub that he had already had, and we have Epson projection. This is the Epson 4050, and this is broadcasting onto a Dragonfly high contrast gray screen. What is this, a 120? This one is 120 inch? And everything's being powered up with the Denon 2700. This is a really good value system. I mean, look at the picture on this. The Epson with the Dragonfly gives incredible color pop and really good clarity through the 3 LCD technology and the eShift 4K. It's really hard to beat. This projector is just right over $2,000, guys. And everything's being ran control-wise through the Harmony Pro system right here. And the client was actually just telling me a minute ago how much he loves this remote. It's a one-button press touchscreen remote. You hit one button, like under activities, everything turns on, turns to the right input, and you just use it. You know, it's simple. And it has a hub in the closet so that you can keep everything hidden and not have to point it anywhere. Also has integration for lighting control. So like right here, you can see he popped out the switch and put a Lutron cassette in. That integrates in over the Wi-Fi to the remote so you can control the lights. Same goes for the thermostat. Nest integrates in with the controller as well. Pretty sweet. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into a demo. I know you want to hear it. Let's go. This is Milan. Oh, so much better. So what you're going to hear, guys, is all of the effects coming together in harmony. High frequency, mid-range, and low end. All right, guys, how'd you like that demo? Pretty sweet, huh? I want you to drop some comments down below. Let me know what you thought, as well as give me a big thumbs up on this video. Just to recap, we're running Epson projector, 4050 with a Dragonfly high contrast 120 inch screen. Klipsch all the way around, except for the sub. We got a DefTech over here. And then we're running the Denon 2700, which is this year's actually 8K receiver. It's the first year that they started putting the 8K in there. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase anything for your home theater, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed, as well as a free design service. Our guys will be happy to walk through different options with you and find something that fits your exact needs. Well, that is a wrap. Till next time, guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.